Mark, what is going on here? Have you been dumpster diving?
Well, something like that, Kevin. Every time I dig, I keep my fingers crossed and I hope to find something.
Is this all your stuff?
And this is all
You found all this
stuff, yeah.
I guess it makes sense, right? You're a digger. I wouldn't even think about that, but foundations and footings, that's all on you, so.
Sure.
No kidding.
Yeah. So this, I'm surmising, came from a kitchen. I was digging a footing one day. I hit this kettle first and then started to be really careful because I knew other stuff was around.
So pots, a couple different pans, a little tea kettle,
That
teapot.
looks like a little teapot right
actually in
there.
pretty good shape
Yeah, it's in
right
pretty
there.
good shape.
And this one?
This one caught my eye because I know what it is. It's a leg for a Ben Franklin stove. I'm a Ben Franklin guy, so
Right up your
couldn't
alley.
resist.
That's
Yes.
right up your alley.
Yeah.
That's some beefy steel right there.
Yeah.
So was it like a garbage pit, you think, where they just kind of toss stuff out back? Or?
So something that people might not know is back in the day, and I'm talking early 1900s, late 1800s, people used to burn their trash literally right in their backyard.
Right, yeah.
So I'm surmising that this group came from a burn, but
Look at you.
formwork that I had to demo, these nails have come out of houses. Those are late 1800s.
Little square cut nails, right.
Yep, again, on a dig, I found these two guys.
Yeah, you know, there's a spot across the street from where I grew up at my best buddy's house where there's 100 Matchbox cars, because we used to play with them back there too, and they'd all get lost.
Maybe that's how I found those.
That is very cool. You or your
No,
American
these are my
Patriots?
contemporaries, right? This is, used to finish a block wall or a brick wall, and they used to dive a can of beer right into the core of the block.
Is that right?
And that's where I found
Just a
those.
tradition?
Yep, doing some demo, tradition.
King-size
So.
knickerbocker. Boy, they used a lot of steel in those things
Yeah,
back in
yeah.
the day.
Tradition has ended, by the way. We don't
Has
do
it?
that.
Okay. Mr. Thomas De Silva,
Yes.
1949, Watertown, Mass.
Yeah.
And is there, there's a note inside.
There is.
Did you
Yes.
read it?
I had to. I couldn't resist.
And?
Love letter. So, yeah.
A good one or a bad
Yeah.
one?
Good one. Good one.
Not
Where
a
are
good
you? I
job.
miss you.
That's very good.
Yeah.
And what year and what paper is that?
I was putting in a fireplace in an existing house, so I had to do some demo. Behind the wall, I found this Boston Globe, and if you flip back, you'll see the date, 1925.
Very, very cool. And then, of course, we find these all the time.
Yeah.
Either because
So-
they've been emptied by the worker, or, like you say, thrown away.
Yes.
They go through this stuff.
Yeah,
Is that
but
right?
this is the whole show. I mean, these are medicine bottles. This is a wine bottle, of course. That's a milk bottle, of course, and that is the gem.
I have to tell my dad that we just
Yeah.
found his aftershave.
Yeah, Old
That's
Spice.
what is that, clay or porcelain?
I think it's porcelain, but 1930
that is so cool.
original. So
So you're just into it. You find them and you just say, I'm going to keep them.
yeah, you dig into the ground, you find something like this. I don't know what it is, but I find a personal connection to everything. So I brush things off, again, hoping to find more. It's like a treasure.
Good for you.
Yeah.
Well, we appreciate you sharing your treasure.
All right.
Very nice.
Thanks, Kevin.
Check out this roadster.
Yeah, really, that's the fast one.
We used to blow these up with firecrackers.
Wow.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.